Birds, pets, and insects. Bird, bird. Birds like to eat insects, seeds, and plants. Wing, wing. Birds can fly because they have wings. Feather, feather. This parrot has blue, yellow, and green feathers. Eagle, eagle. An eagle has a hooked beak and sharp vision for hunting. Owl, owl. Owls can almost turn their heads all the way around. Duck, duck. Ducks are found near ponds, rivers, and streams. Penguin, penguin. Most penguins live in cold places and can't fly. Peacock, peacock. A peacock's feathers are called a train. Hummingbird, hummingbird. Hummingbirds can hover and fly backwards. Flamingo, flamingo. Adult flamingos grow up to 5 feet tall. Nest, nest. Many kinds of birds build their nests in trees. Dog, dog. Dogs are sometimes called man's best friend. Puppy, puppy. Puppies are cute and playful. Leash, leash. A leash will help keep your dog from running away. To walk, to walk. This family walks their dog every day. Lizard, lizard. The lizard loves getting his back scratched. Cat, cat. Cats clean themselves with their tongue. Kitten, kitten. These kittens are playing in a basket. Frog, frog. Some frogs can jump 20 times their body length. Rabbit, rabbit. Rabbits love to eat carrots. Goldfish, goldfish. A goldfish can live between 10 and 15 years. Aquarium, aquarium. Pet fish live in an aquarium. Turtle, turtle. Have you ever picked up a turtle? Bee, bee. Bees make honey by collecting nectar and pollen. Mosquito, mosquito. Did you know mosquitoes are the world's deadliest animals? Fly, fly. Some people think flies are the world's most annoying insect. Butterfly, butterfly. Many butterflies have brightly colored wings. Spider, spider. A lot of people are afraid of spiders. Web, web. Spiders make webs to catch their prey. Ant, ant. An ant can lift 20 times its own body weight.